Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa radiyallahu anhu states, "We accompanied by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out to fight a jihad against the tribe Hawazin. We were taking breakfast along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam when a man came riding a red camel, kneeled the camel down, took a string out of his pocket, fastened the camel with it, started taking breakfast with other people and looking around. Some of us were weak, some were without mounts, and some were walking on foot. Suddenly, he rushed briskly, came close to his camel, unfastened its string, knelt it down, mounted it, and galloped it, and the camel galloped carrying him. A man chased him on a brown she-camel. Salama says, I also ran after him. First I reached near the haunches of the she-camel, then I advanced further and reached near the haunches of the camel. I then moved ahead and held the nose string of the camel and knelt that camel down. No sooner did the camel place its knees on the ground than I struck the man's head with the sword. That man fell down, and then I bought the camel with the litter and the man's weapon. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the companions met me coming from the front side. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Who has killed that man? The people said, Salama bin Aqwa did. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, All his belongings are of Ibn Aqwa. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4547.